वाह जी वाह। हेलो गाइस, कैसे हो आप सब? उम्मीद करते हैं आप सब बिल्कुल ठीक होंगे। आज मैं दोबारा हाजिर हूँ आपके सामने एक न्यू इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो लेके। आज की मेरी वीडियो का टॉपिक है कि फ्यूजन रिएक्शन क्या होते हैं। Nuclear fusion is a reaction in which two or more atomic level nuclei, usually deuterium and tritium, are combined to form one or more different atomic nuclei and subatomic particles. The difference in mass between the reactants and products is manifested as either the release or absorption of energy. What is fusion reaction? सिर को झली जो खणी ऐसी दे हटो. Nuclear fusion reaction power the sun and other. सफाई करना पिया, काम करना पिया भैया. And other stars in a fusion reaction, two light nuclei merge to form a single heavier nucleus. The process releases energy because the total mass of the resulting single nucleus is less than the mass of the two original nuclei. The leftover mass becomes energy. Which reaction is an example of fusion? Fusion occurs when two atoms slam together to form a heavier atom, like when two hydrogen atoms fuse to form one helium atom. This is the same process that powers the sun and creates huge amounts of energy, several times greater than fission. What is fission and fusion reaction? Fission and fusion reaction. Fission is the splitting of a heavy unstable nucleus into two lighter nuclei, and fusion is the process where two light nuclei combine together, releasing vast amount of energy. What are the two types of fission and fusion reaction? On the basis of confinement, there are two types of fusion reactors: magnetic confinement fusion reaction and inertial confinement fusion reaction. It is called fusion reaction. Thermonuclear fission is the process of atomic nuclei combining or fusing using high temperatures to drive them close enough together for this to become possible. What is called fusion in chemistry? The process by which a substance changes from a solid state to a liquid state is called melting or fusion. This change occurs on heating a solid because particles of the solid gain energy and start vibrating more vigorously. What is fusion with example? Example in fusion happens in the sun where the atoms of the isotopes of hydrogen, hydrogen 3, hydrogen 2, deuterium and tritium merge in a huge pressure atmosphere with the tremendously high temperature. It is to create an output in the form of a neutron and an isotope of helium. What is we call fusion? Magnetic confinement. This method uses magnetic fields to hold the plasma in place. Inertial confinement fusion uses compression rather than high temperatures to begin the fusion reaction. Mount catalyzed fusion, cool fusion, bubble fusion. What are three differences between fission and fusion? Three important differences between fission and fusion. Nuclear fusion is the joining of atomic nuclei and fission is the splitting of atomic nuclei. Fusion produces far more energy than they created by fission. Fusion and its types. The fusion reactions are of two basic types: those that they preserve the number of protons and the neutrons, and those that involve the conversion between protons and neutrons. What is the best fusion reaction? The current best bet for fusion reactors is deuterium-tritium fuel. This fuel reaches fusion conditions at lower temperatures compared to other elements and release more energy than other fusion reactions. Deuterium and tritium are isotopes of hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe. What is the formula of fusion energy? Fusion reactions occur when two nuclei comes together to form one atom. तो इसका जो फार्मूला होगा वो होगा H+H जब ये मिलते हैं तो ये हीलियम का आइटम देते हैं और इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी यूज़ होती है। तो इसका जो कैलकुलेट फेमस आइंस्टाइन इक्वेशन होगी = mc², ये भी यूज़ होगी। तो ये था मेरा जो टॉपिक। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, अल्लाह हाफिज़।